Hi guys, Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 2, Lesson 14. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to model subtraction of 9 from teen numbers. So, looking at this, we're going to first look at our steps about how we're going to solve these problems. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw that larger number, the say 10 way. Then we're going to box in 10. Then we're going to take 9 from 10. Then we're going to count what's left to solve. Alright. The say 10 way is just whenever you have teen numbers or any 2-digit number really or 3-digit number, is that you are just going to say your tens, then your ones. So looking at this, 16 minus 9, we're going to draw the bigger number, which is 16. We're going to draw 16, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16. We're going to box in that 10. So now we have the 10 way. We know that 16 is 10, 6. We say how many 10s we have. So we have only one 10, so 10, then 6. So we say the 10s, because since we only have one 10, we just say 10, then there's 6 ones. So now, looking at this, we have to take away 9. Well, we know that we're going to take away 9 from the box of 10. But first, let's look at what we have so far. We drew our larger number to say 10 way. We boxed in 10. Now we're going to take 9 from 10. So let's take 9 away from this 10 that we boxed in. So we know this is 5 because you know 5 group rows, so it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Circle what's left. So we took it away. Now let's count on what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 16 minus 9 equals 7. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.